afternoon. We're in a residential subdivision in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, about a half a mile from the coastline, in an area with well-drained sandy soils. Today we're taking a look at the southern Catalpa, also known as the cigar tree or green bean tree, and known by the Latin name Catalpa bignonoides. It's a member of the Bignonoides family, and this unique tree has several identifying characteristics, one being these large cordate leaves. You can see on this tree they're a little bit higher up, but these leaves are 5 to 12 inches, and they're pinnately veined and may appear kind of thin and translucent. You can really see the veins pretty distinctly in these leaves. These were bright green over the summer, and now in mid-October here, they're starting to turn yellow and brown and fall from the tree. So the bowl of the tree is often crooked or twisted like this here, and with irregular branches reaching outward to form the crown of the tree with an irregular shape here. The gray to sometimes reddish brown bark. Get a closer look here. It's scaly with shallow fissures. See there? And in late spring, really vibrant, really beautiful white flowers with purple spotting in the tubular center will appear. And the tree got its common name, the cigar tree, due to long slender capsules that encase the seeds, and that's why it's also sometimes referred to as the green bean tree. They look kind of like green beans or cigars hanging down from the branches. Another way to identify this tree is by the presence of the catalpa worm or catalpa sphinx moth. The worms are black with yellowish green side stripes, and they make for good fishing bait. This moth species goes through a boom and bust cycle spanning several years, and during an outbreak the worms feed on the leaves, and left unchecked they can defoliate entire trees. But parasitoid braconid moths, wasps, infect the worms with a polydnavirus, rendering the host worms unable to undergo metamorphosis and eventually killing them. This relationship manages the catalpa worm population so they don't do too much damage to their host tree. Pretty interesting relationships going on out there. So that's the Catalpa bignonoides. Keep an eye out for some of these characteristics in the southeastern forest.